Back in 2022, the brilliant minds at Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona stumbled upon a celestial anomaly that defies all logic. Meet TOI 3757b, located a casual 580 light-years away. Now this thing is massive, about 1.5 times the radius of our own Jupiter, but its density is where the sanity ends. If you took this planet and threw it into a giant cosmic campfire, it would be the perfect snack. Why? Because it has the density of a marshmallow. It's basically a giant fluffy ball of gas that forgot how to be a solid object. It orbits its star in a weird stretched-out ellipse, sometimes drifting far away, then swinging back for a radioactive hug that whips its atmosphere into a frenzy. But if TOI 3757b is a light snack, our next stop is the ultimate shadow. 750 light-years away lies TRES 2b. While the best coal on Earth might absorb 95% of light, TRES 2b is a greedy light glutton, swallowing up more than 99% of everything that hits it. It's so dark that if you tried to play hide-and-seek there, you'd be it for the next 4 billion years. Despite being only 4 million kilometers from its star, which is 10 times closer than Mercury is to our sun, it refuses to reflect anything. It's the ultimate cosmic goth. Think giant planets are all boring beige and stripes? Think again. Meet Gliese 504b, the magenta marvel of the Virgo constellation, sitting 57 light-years away. This planet is a rebel. Usually, giant planets just reflect their star's light, but Gliese 504b glows from the inside out. It's like the planet decided to wear neon pink to a funeral just to stay relevant. Scientists think this inner glow is because the planet is basically a cosmic infant. It's so young it hasn't cooled down yet, glowing like molten metal on an anvil. You ever seen a planet shaped like a rugby ball? No? Then check out WASP 103b. It's a gas giant 1,000 light-years away that is twice the size of Jupiter. It's so close to its parent star that the gravity is literally squashing it. It's being flattened at the poles like a stress ball in the hands of a very angry giant. Every second it loses mass equivalent to 1,000 Giza pyramids. At this rate, the planet is on a diet that will eventually leave it with a waistline of 0. Then there's WASP 12b, the speed demon. It's 5 times heavier than Jupiter and orbits its star in just 16 hours. It's moving at over 750 kilometers per second. It's moving so fast it probably gets speeding tickets from the Intergalactic Highway Patrol every single morning. NASA believes the star will gobble it up within 2 years. Talk about a fast food delivery for a hungry star. Why settle for one sun when you can have 3? KOI 5AB is a planet 2,000 light-years away that lives in a triple star system. You'd see 3 different sized suns in the sky at once. That's a lot of sunscreen. You'd basically need to bathe in SPF 5000 just to go get the mail. But wait, there's a planet with 4 suns. PH1 was discovered not by a pro but by amateurs in the Planet Hunters Project. It just goes to show, you don't need a fancy degree to find a 4-headed cosmic beast, just a laptop and a complete lack of a social life. Some planets are just weird. HD 106906b is 11 times the mass of Jupiter and sits 96 billion kilometers away from its nearest star. It's like the planet moved to the suburbs to get away from the noise, but then realized there's no grocery store for 20 light-years. It's incredibly hot, 1500 degrees Celsius, only because it's a baby planet that hasn't cooled down yet. GJ 1132b is a rocky world 40 light-years away that literally grew a second atmosphere. Its first one was stripped away by radiation, leaving a bare core. But then, through sheer volcanic stubbornness, it burped out a new one. It's the only planet in the universe that's on its second marriage and making it work. And finally, we have Methuselah, PSR B1620-26b. This planet is 13 billion years old. It's almost as old as the universe itself. It lives in a neighborhood plagued by 200 earthquakes and magnetic storms every year. This planet has seen it all. It's the grumpy old man of the cosmos, shouting at the younger planets to get off its gravitational lawn. In the Kepler-36 system, the planets 36b and 36c are constantly bullying each other. Every 97 days, they get so close that their gravity triggers volcanoes and firestorms on the smaller one. It's a toxic family dynamic that has lasted for billions of years. And you thought your Thanksgiving dinner was stressful. But if you want beauty, look at J1407b. It has a ring system so big it makes Saturn look like it's wearing a cheap mood ring. The rings are 90 million kilometers wide, 200 times larger than Saturn's. If this planet replaced Saturn, we wouldn't see clouds. We'd just see giant glowing hula hoops across the entire sky. As we wrap up this tour of cosmic insanity, we look at LHS 475b. It's 40 light-years away, and it's almost the exact same size as Earth. Early studies suggest its atmosphere and temperature might be similar to ours. Is it time to start packing? Probably not, unless you can figure out how to fold a 40-light-year trip into a weekend getaway. The universe is a chaotic, beautiful, and absolutely terrifying place. We're just tiny monkeys on a floating rock, trying to make sense of a marshmallow planet and a giant diamond. But hey, at least our weather doesn't involve flying glass. Keep your eyes on the stars, and remember, if you ever feel small, just think about the planet that's getting squashed into a rugby ball. Suddenly, your Monday morning doesn't seem so bad, does it? Stay curious, stay mad, and don't touch the radioactive isotopes on your way out. Don't even think about subscribing to the channel. After a couple of my videos, your brain might start melting.